Who says quick meals can't be satisfying? These loaded veggie quesadillas are packed with flavor and ready in minutes. Start with your favorite veggies. Today I'm using red bell peppers, spinach, and black beans for a hearty, colorful filling. Lay 1 tortilla flat in a skillet to start building your quesadilla. Sprinkle a layer of shredded Mexican blend cheese right on top. Then add your veggies, black beans, red bell peppers, and fresh spinach. Finish with another sprinkle of shredded Mexican blend cheese to hold it all together. Fold the tortilla in half. Press gently and cook until golden and melty. Slice into wedges and get ready for that gooey, cheesy goodness. These loaded veggie quesadillas are quick, cheesy, and totally satisfying. Better than takeout and made right at home. These quesadillas are cheesy, colorful, and so easy to make. And don't forget that fresh salsa on the side. You can check out the salsa recipe right here on this channel. You can also find the full quesadilla recipe in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.